I don't think that's quite how it's going to work.
The Tibetan community, discrimination versus temporariness.
Okay.
If you're serious, then we need more time to explain. You see, this problem, actually, last 4 centuries sort of history, last 400 years, it remained always controversial. Then in central Tibet, last now about 80 years, then this, you see, some people, you see, more seriously, you see, worship, you see, this spirit, including myself. 1951 till the early 70, I worship this. Then gradually, I found some problem. Then I noticed 15th Dalai Lama, say, consider this is evil spirit, very harmful. Then 13th Dalai Lama also, you see, put a lot of restriction. So now the freedom or religious freedom, now you look, till I worship this spirit, I have no religious freedom because this very much sectarian. So suppose follower of yellowhead sect. So person who following yellowhead sect, even redhead sect or blackhead sect, so text, keep your home. This spirit will harm you. So long I worship this spirit, I have no religious freedom. Only after I stop this sort of practice, then I got religious freedom. I received teaching from all Tibetan traditions, Nyingma, Gurkha, Sakya, Kilu. So actually, I think you have no freedom to read books from other lamas. Not only other tradition, but even same Gilu sort of tradition. Some other lamas writing, you see, you are not allowed to study, to read. So too much sectarian. Okay, but right from the beginning, I made clear it's harmful. According to my own experience, this is quite harmful. So it is my duty, make clear. Then whether people listen or not, up to individual. Now if you want to see, go to South India. There is few thousand monks. There are special college carrying worship this. The land provided by government of India for Tibetan refugee. So refugee community can expel these people. We never done that. They remain as a refugee. Freedom. So you should know the reality. Like that.